Welcome back to AJ's little shed shop. Today I came into the shed shop and I realised that my damp problems hadn't actually gone away. I thought I'd actually dealt with them. Clearly I need to actually put some proper insulation in this place. As you can see, my walls are pretty bare, apart from all the shit around the place. Yeah, so my window was the first giveaway. Well, it's just where it's wet on the inside, it's drippy. I'll show you. Right here, you can see where I've been drawing on the window there with my finger. So yes, it's clearly, I'll just put you down there. So clearly I haven't dealt with it, but I have a solution. What I have been using is one of these moisture trap. These things are actually quite cool. Now, I've been using them for a while. I say for a while, since we built the shed shop, because we realised it wasn't going to be damp free, purely because I didn't have the money at the time to insulate it. I still don't have the money now, and I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to insulate it, but I do have insulation for the ceiling when I get round to it. When it's a bit warmer, it's ruddy cold at the moment. I have one. I've just taken it down. I keep it up in the rafters, and this is my original one. Don't spill it on myself. And I don't know if you can tell, but it has water in the bottom of it. So it uses crystals, and you put the crystals in the top, and they sit in a little bed. They collect the moisture, they draw the moisture out of the air. What else is quite cool is you can buy a massive refill bag. I already have one of these refill bags, but the fact is I went into the range, which seems to be the cheapest place to get these from. I'm sorry guys around the rest of the world, but I have no idea what you would have that is similar to the range. Well, I quite like the range. Kind of a low budget hobby craft, except for some reason now they have Icelands in them, which is really weird. Anyway, I was in the range and I thought, yes, get myself some of them. Why? I needed another one. I knew the moisture wasn't being dealt with from just one. They do deal with, what is this little one deals with? Quite a big area, I suppose. Does it? I'm pretty sure it does. Anyway, one of these drinks up 1 litre of water, and you empty it out. How big can you be? How big can you be? That makes no sense. How big can you do? So yeah, 4-in-1 protection, damp, damage, air quality, odours, mould and mildew. I mean, that's what we want, right? Doesn't say how big an area one of these can do. But I can tell you, one of these isn't big enough for the shed shop, clearly, because I have it behind me in the rafters, just sitting there. And it works well. Mostly is because obviously the day we had water coming in through the window. Sealed now, obviously. Window doesn't open anymore. But I'm going to run you through the process of how to use these things. They are fantastic. Let's work out where I'm going to put the second one. I'm not 100% sure. You have to be down this end, not that end. Bugger. Should have thought about that one too, shouldn't I? Let's run through it. So I'll take you outside and show you how to empty one of these and then refill. And then we'll crack open the new one and fill that up and find a new place for it. Sounds like a good idea. Fingers crossed it's going to work this time, right? Nice and simple. Take off, and this water, do not drink. This is not for drinking. Don't know if you're supposed to dispose of it anywhere, but I always pour it on the weeds. It eventually kills them. This is all that's left in this one. It actually will still be working. I've got a fresh one to go in, so let's just get rid of that. On the weeds it goes. That's now empty. See, it now says ready for refill. So this has now all been emptied out. I've dried this out as much as I can. Now I've had this for quite some time. Never actually realised it's got a measuring scale on the end as to tell you just how much water's in there. What an idiot. Your refill tray goes back in this. Now there's a spout on the end here. This bit's actually broken, but this bit here with a cutout goes over that corner, so you can just pour it out as you go. Now I'm going to use one of my new full refills to show you just how full this gets. It's crazy the amount that you put in. So the big bag has 5 full refills in. Okay, you buy a new one of these and it comes with 2 bags of the refill stuff. So I've dried this all out as much as I can. It makes your fingers feel horrible. It's also an eye irritant, so do not get it in your eyes. And you can... This is new. These are balls. They've never been balls before, they've been flakes. Oh, check that out. Okay, they've always been flakes before. That's so much better. Brilliant. Hopefully this will work better then. It's a lot easier to fit all of them balls in there too. Excellent. And you just take your lid. I am so surprised that they're balls. They've always been flakes. I have a big bag of, these are balls in this one too. Oh, it's bleeding, says it on it, pearls. Anyway, little tab on this end, and you just pop that over where the spout is, and you've got two clicky bits, and they go through on each end. Click, click, a little shake, just level it out a bit. Wow, okay, yes. Now, like I said, normally they're flakes, and they're a real pain, and they mount up so high. So I'm surprised these are balls. I'm glad they're balls, because clearly, hopefully, they bloody work better. And now all I do with that all in there is I just pop that back up into my rafters. Now we have a nice fresh new one. Nice fresh new one, see? It's exactly the same. Does it have it? And it's got the measure on the bottom. I really did not know that had a measure on the bottom. I feel like a right idiot. Comes with two of these, a fresh one, brand new one, like this. Luckily, I already had the D.I.Y, and yes, you can buy the big bags of it. Oh, clicking, there we go, right. Shake, shake, shaker. Woohoo! Shaker, shaker, shaker. Wah, wah! Shaker, shaker, shaker. And that's that. Ready to roll. Then you got a few bits that have dropped into the bottom there, but that's okay. That doesn't matter. Now I need to find a place for this. So I'm not going to, one, knock it over by accident, because it will spill everywhere. Or two, put it in a place where it's not actually going to suck up any moisture. And I've popped it over here, which is near some of the tools. Draw more of the moisture out of the air, saves me having to keep rust protecting them as much. But it's along this side of this end of the shed shop. Yes, I call it a shed shop. It's my shed, but it's still my shed shop. Now, the other one, up there. And that's where that one sits and collects. It's nearer to that end of the shed, because over here is where I had the big problem of the leak come through the window. It has destroyed my lathe bed. So I've got to make a new one at some point. So I think that's quite cool as far as that goes. Hello, Mrs. S.
Hello.
It's actually Mrs. C, but you know, she's Mrs. Shedshop. Yes, hopefully that's going to do its job over there. Hopefully that's going to do its job over there. Mrs. Shedshop, they're bloody balls now, not those horrible flakes.
Good.
Much better. I am not sponsored by these guys, but it does do a fantastic job. It works really well. If you've got damp in a house, in a shed, in a boat, in a garage,
Or even your wardrobe.
or even your wardrobe, because these are scent free. Really?
Yeah, on the top. And the green bits there, look.
Well, for some reason it says bathroom. Everyone has damp in their bathroom, correct? It's a bathroom. It's wet. Oh, bugger me, it does, yeah, look at that. Caravan, car, yacht. Who's going to give two hoots about a yacht? I mean, you're on a boat. You're in the sea. It's going to be wet, right? Yeah, exactly. Bathroom, wet, same again. But obviously, yes, brilliant for taking extra moisture out of the air if your fan's not doing the job. And wardrobes for keeping your clothes nice and safe. That is damp control with a K. I think it's fantastic. It has helped me out no end. I feel quite happy to share this with you, even though I am not sponsored. But if they want to sponsor me, I will take as much of that stuff as I can. Thanks for watching Easy Little Shed Shop. Let's keep our fingers crossed for a dry shed shop. But for now, it's cold and I'm going to whack my heater back on. And we'll see you again soon with another video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.